What's up, guys? It's Raf in the Rafcave. Thanks for dropping by and checking this unboxing video of a webcam. I'm at the point where I think that a webcam would be pretty interesting for my reaction videos and tying in video into other software on the PC to do other networking and streaming videos, future videos. So, yeah, I'm going to give it a shot and hopefully it works well versus the angle that I've been doing for a long time to right in front of me, doing videos this way to see what's, as this is a background, and being able to incorporate it with a lot of future streaming. So I'm looking forward to trying it out, and maybe when I'm doing video gaming and stuff, that I can do some streaming on gaming too, which would be pretty nice. So Logitech, great company. They have great products, to their Logitech Harmony remotes, to their great keyboards and mouses, and then now to the webcams and speakers and things like that. So I did some research. Now, of course, there's 4K out there, but you know, that's a lot of bandwidth, that's a lot of data, it's a lot of storage needed to do that kind of thing. And I'm not going to be gaming in 4K as far as capturing. So I think overall 1080p is going to be more of a natural, more of a user-friendly, simplified, quicker way to do it. So I just wanted a decent 1080p camera. This one here, the C922, 1080p at 30 frames, that's fine. It's going to be great. So I'm going to unbox this guy, set it up on the computer. Excuse me, probably going to mount it right in front of me here, I think. So I think on top of the TV here, I think I might be looking up too much, or might be unnatural when I'm doing any kind of future video. So I think if you put it right in front, I'll be able to kind of be eye to eye with the camera level here. So hopefully it works out well and looks good and works fine, and go from there. Rafcave webcam. All right, let's check out this unboxing. All right, guys, here we are. The Logitech C922 Pro HD Stream Cam. 1080p 30 frames, 720 at 60. Comes with a tripod. Fully adjustable tabletop tripod with swivel mount. Very nice. Specs and back, 1080p 30 frames, 720 60. Hyper fast frame rate in HD. Very nice. HD autofocus and light correction. And it comes with some software for 6 months, looks like. 3 months. Field of view, very good, 78 degrees. All right, looks good. Nice. Let's get it unboxed. Black pin. First webcam. Honestly, this is probably my first one ever. Holy, look at that little guy. Whoa, that's some tiny stuff. Wow. That is it, huh? A cute little camera. Right there. What else we got in here? We got some kind of a... Is this the tripod? Yep. Tripod here. Cute little tripod. I don't know, I'm feeling little rubber feet on the bottom. This might slip. Hopefully not. Look at that cute little thing. Alright, so it'll fit up nicely in front of the speaker there. Looks like this is the XSplit 3-month premium license. Looks like we got a license for the XSplit software. Tells you how to install the tripod with it and what to do to hook it up. And that is all she wrote, folks. All right, let's get it hooked up, and hopefully it works out well for the Rafcave. What's up, guys? So I have the Logitech 922 webcam set up on its tripod right now, hooked up to the OBS, and this is kind of the quality you're going to get with this webcam. Right now it is the 1080p version. It's 30 frames a second. And you know what? It's a little choppy. You know, it's kind of like this, and it's got a little bit of hiccups there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at a few other options. I want to get a little bit clearer, but I definitely want that 60 frames if possible. And I think that would help out a lot. So there it is, set up right there. It's got a little cute little tripod that is extendable. You can go a little bit higher or lower. And it's got a couple microphones on there, and it's 1080p. I got the USB going to the computer. All right, guys. Well, there it is, the Logitech Webcam 922. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this gave you a few more insights on webcams. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Home theater rules. Rafcave out.